Hello everybody, this is the Climate Lab in Science Camp, one of the very new projects was supported by GIZ, the German collaboration, and today we will show you some sneak peeks about the Sun Tracker project with the manual mode. This is the Sun Tracker. It can melt steel as we show you before in YouTube, and this is the team. Muhammad and another Muhammad, and there is Ali, and he's not Muhammad also. Okay, Muhammad, please show us how you can make the azimuth and elevation of the tracker in the manual mode. This device collecting the sun rays, sun energy, the heat, not the photons, to produce very high energy in very efficient way. And as you see, Muhammad can do this type of manual movement. Then we will make it rotate and track the sun automatically by sensors, which is very simple process, but now we want to just experiment the mechanical part. So Muhammad, can you make more movements? Here he can track any type of sun orbits and can be very functional everywhere in the globe. So it's not just close to one orbit related to the spot from the Earth, but it can work anywhere. Return into the right position, the front, and return it back.
Hello, Mr. Norris.
Oh, sorry, I'm in Arabic.
Okay.
And the Iraqi politician. So this is the project as you see, and we still working till night, but we will experiment it with suitable weather, some sunny days, and it's a lot of sunny days in Iraq. Thank you. Bye bye.
You're welcome, sir.